In this episode, I'm going to show you how to activate follower option on your Facebook profile ID and switch your account from this to that. Sometimes we don't want to add an unknown person in our account, we just want them to follow us. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process on how to activate such option. First, navigate to your Facebook account and open it. Right here, locate the topmost right corner and click this icon. From there, scroll down till you locate settings and privacy and click it. Proceed to settings, then proceed to profile settings and click it. Proceed to privacy and scroll down till you locate how people can find and contact you. Then proceed to who can send you friend request and click it. So from there, switch this to friends or friends. From there, back again and proceed back again. Under privacy here, scroll down to locate public posts and click it. Then here under public post, who can follow me, switch this to public. Then scroll down a little. Under who can see your followers on your timeline, switch this also to public. Then scroll down a little and ensure this one is also switched to public. And then make sure this one is also switched to everyone. Then under public profile info, make sure it's also switched to public. Once this settings is done, to confirm whether your account has switched, we can navigate back to our profile. Then here, proceed here and click this 3 ellipses here. Then you proceed to click on view as. Now our account is having the follower option in here. So anytime someone who is a stranger see your account, the person can follow you instead of adding you as a friend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.